So WordPress, how was your week? Any updates?
Oh, 6 new updates, if you know what I...
WordPress?
No offense, but, you don't know a real doctor, do you?
Seriously? Can't even spend 2 minutes with a client.
What's wrong with him?
Who knows? Could be a plugin problem. Could be a hosting issue. Maybe his memory's exhausted. There's just too many things that could go wrong.
So he's okay?
Oh, he'll be great. As long as I keep working my butt off on his maintenance.
White screen of death. Is that you?
It's too late for me, buddy. I hope you back me up.
Could we not do this right now? I have a deadline. My client's gonna kill me.
And even though this disaster is clearly your fault, I want you to move on. Switch to a hassle-free platform like Wix.
You guys need to see your faces. I mean, come on. Wix? Seriously? You're killing me. You guys are classic.